Hello everyone, long time no see. Yeah, how you doing, bro? You still good? Tell me in the comment. Today, now is 11 p.m. in my country. Yeah, I missed this video late because I want to make this series again. Then the last time I had some business, so I don't have time to make video but now I return to my hometown and I have many time to make this video. So now I will make this series again, day by day. Okay. How is the weather in your country today? Yeah, today in my country the weather is sun and very hot. I don't like this much. I like rain either because sun is hot. It's very hot. It's made me feel mad and tired, and the rain is made me feel good and a little colder, but never mind. With me it's okay. So bye, see you in the next video, and have a good day.